Hi all, this is Priya from Sri Aryasats Chennai. இன்னைக்கு வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்க போறது கோரா ஆர்கன்சா sarees. இந்த sarees 500 to 5000 ரேஞ்ச்ல இருக்கும். Depends upon the purity. 5000 ன்னும்போது pure organza கிடைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம பார்க்க போறது 1000 to 2000 ரேஞ்ச் sarees. இந்த sarees எல்லாமே party wear, கொஞ்சம் பார்க்க ட்ரெடிஷனல் லுக்லயும் இருக்கும். இந்த sarees நீங்க ஆன்லைன்ல purchase பண்ணனும்னா sriaryasats.com அப்படிங்கற வெப்சைட்ல லாகின் பண்ணி you can purchase the sarees or 9962007983. I'll repeat 9962007983 அப்படிங்கற நம்பருக்கு இந்த வீடியோல இருந்து உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச சாரீஸை நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்து எங்களுக்கு அனுப்பலாம். Saree number 1, lemon yellow with pink border. The price is 1050. Saree full brocade design இருக்கும் with a contrast pallu, and with a contrast blouse. Price is 1050. Saree number 2, half white with pink border. Saree full brocade design with a pink pallu and a contrast pink brocade blouse. The blouse priced at 1050. Saree number 3, bottle green brocade organza with a dark pink border, dual shade pink pallu and a contrast blouse. Priced at 1050. Saree number 4, thyme green with a pink border and a pink pallu. This is the pallu and a contrast pink brocade blouse. Price at 1050. Saree number 5, peacock blue with a pink border, contrast dual shade pallu and a contrast blouse. Again priced at 1050. Saree number 6, turquoise green with a blue border, top side short border and the bottom is long border, motifs running throughout the border. Comes with a contrast dual shade green pallu and the contrast blouse. Price at 1050. Saree number 7, navy blue body with a light blue border, top side short border and bottom long border with silver lines running throughout the border with a self pallu. This is the pallu and a navy blue jacquard blouse. Price at 1125. Saree number 8, light yellow with organza border, top side short border and the bottom is long border with motifs all over the border. with a pallu and a light yellow blouse. Priced at 1400. Saree number 9, brown grey Kora organza saree with a double side border, floral motifs throughout the border, with a red pallu, this is the pallu, and a self blouse. Priced at 1620. Saree number 10, peacock blue, double side border, top side short border, bottom pink long border with chakra motifs throughout the border. Comes with a green pallu and a green blouse. Priced at 1499. Saree number 11, orange Kora organza with green brazo design throughout the saree and double side border, green border with a self pallu and a self blouse. The blouse comes with a brocade design. The price is 1620. Saree number 12, light yellow tissue Kora organza with double side border, top side short border and bottom long border with floral motifs throughout the border. Comes with a blue tissue pallu and organza blouse. Price at 1700. Saree number 13, pink tissue Kora organza. Idiliyum double side border, top side orange small border, bottom long border with floral prints throughout the border. Comes with a orange tissue pallu and a blouse, orange tissue blouse. Priced at 1700. Saree number 14, a golden shade, full tissue, full saree में golden tissue ला, double side border, top side small border pink and bottom is very long border, pink shade ला. Comes with a rich pallu and a very rich pink blouse. Priced at 2200.